In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to show touch keyboard icon on taskbar in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option. Please locate with personalization, which is next to network and internet. And once you have bring up the personalization settings, you need to scroll down and navigate with taskbar. So here the taskbar, you can see there taskbar items and tray icons. All you need to do is you need to navigate with icons, and there you can see pen menu, touch keyboard, and virtual touchpad. And since the target of this video is to add a touch keyboard icon on the taskbar, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the switched icon where you can see there a down arrow key, click on it, and go with always. In a few moments, it would be added here in your taskbar. Okay? So that's it. When you close the window and when you tapped on the touch keyboard, you would be able to bring it here as well. Okay, and in this way you would be able to use it. Okay, especially if you have face an error with your physical or built-in keyboard. Okay, so you can also add emojis here where you can easily access emojis easily. So this is very good to access it easily, especially if you would love to use it. Okay, you can actually use it. So there are a lot of categories that you could use here. Okay, so this is very good. So once you're good, you can now close the window. Okay, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.